In this video we can talk about top 5 Gusto alternatives and competitors. Welcome to the Alternatives Co channel. Today, in our video, we will introduce you to the best alternatives to Gusto. And the top 5 alternatives of Gusto, which are Deel, Bamboo HR, Rippling, Paychex, and Paycor, which can help streamline your HR and payroll processes. So, let's dive in and explore the best options available. Our first alternative is Deel. ActiveCampaign is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM software that provides a powerful solution for your email marketing campaigns. It offers excellent features like onboarding, compliance management, and real-time analytics. It caters to businesses expanding their global workforce, providing a seamless experience for remote talent management. Deel also comes with a standout feature, which is compliance management that ensures you remain compliant with local labor laws and regulations, no matter where your employees are located. Next up, we have Bamboo HR. Bamboo HR is a cloud-based HR management system renowned for its user-friendly interface and robust features. It offers features like payroll management, onboarding, and attendance management. It's one of the best softwares to simplify the HR processes, allowing you to focus on your most valuable asset, which is your people. Bamboo HR also has a standout feature, which is its employee self-service portal that empowers your employees and grants them access to their information, thereby enhancing engagement and efficiency. Moving on, we have Rippling. Rippling is an all-in-one HR and payroll software that simplifies employee management. It offers features like full-service payroll, applicants tracking, and learning management. With Rippling, you can automate various HR processes, saving valuable time and minimizing errors. Rippling's integrated IT management capabilities and one of the standout features of Rippling lies in its ability to seamlessly sync employee data across multiple systems, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Next up is Paychex. Paychex is a powerful HR solution for businesses of all sizes and comes with an array of features to streamline HR processes. It offers features like assessment management, benefits management, and time-off systems. With Paychex, you can ensure accurate and timely payroll while efficiently managing your HR tasks. The standout feature of Paychex is its robust reporting capabilities, allowing you to gain valuable insights into your workforce. Last but not the least, we have Paycor. Paycor is a comprehensive HR and payroll software designed to meet the needs of businesses across various industries. It offers features like recruiting, expense management, and workforce management. It is excellent software that excels in providing automation capabilities for payroll processing. However, it still has one standout feature, which is HR analytics that provides actionable insights into your workforce and allows you to drive better business outcomes. Compared to Gusto, Deel specializes in remote hiring and payments, making it an excellent choice for businesses with distributed teams. Bamboo HR focuses on providing a comprehensive HR software solution, with a range of features to streamline various HR processes. Rippling stands out with its all-in-one platform, combining HR, benefits, payroll, and IT management seamlessly. Paychex, on the other hand, caters to businesses of all sizes and offers a wide range of HR and payroll services, making it a scalable option. Paycor provides a cloud-based HR and payroll software solution with a user-friendly interface, particularly well-suited for small and medium-sized businesses. After thorough research and analysis, we would recommend Rippling as the best alternative to Gusto. With its all-in-one platform, Rippling simplifies HR and payroll management by centralizing various functions. From employee onboarding to compliance management, Rippling covers all aspects of HR and payroll. Its standout feature lies in the seamless synchronization of employee data across multiple systems, reducing manual data entry and improving efficiency. We hope this comprehensive comparison has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision about the best HR and payroll solution for your business. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.